everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to share with you my personal experience applying for a tourist visa to Italy through the BLS Visa Application Center here in Abu Dhabi. If you are planning to apply soon, this video might help you feel more confident and prepared. So let's get into it. I booked my appointment online in March, and the earliest spot I got was this April. So I had a few weeks in between, and I used the time to gather all the required documents. Of course, I started with the basic, that is, filled out the Schengen visa application form, got my passport and Emirates ID. But beyond that, I had to prepare 13 documents in total, so I went through each one very carefully. Quick explanation about the documents list. Here is the quick summary of what I prepared. The NOC or No Objection Certificate from my employer, a flight reservation, hotel booking, a cover letter, travel insurance, bank statement, pay slip for last 3 months, and there is many more documents to prepare. So I made sure that everything was neat, organized, and ready in order from 1 to 13. I made an appointment. There are few types of options where you can choose either standard, silver, or premium. And for me, I choose the premium option. And yes, it's a little bit more expensive, but honestly, it's worth it because you get faster service and someone assists you the whole time, and there is no long waiting. Finally, after that, I submitted all the 13 documents and completed the application process. Everything was smooth and professionals. And here you go, where the visa results really surprised me because guess what? In just 2 days, 2 working days, I went there on Wednesday, and Monday I received a call from BLS saying that your passport is ready for collection. So I was so excited, and I picked it up, opened it, and I was honestly shocked because they gave me a 90-day multiple entry visa, which is valid for 6 months. I was so happy, especially because I did not expect it to be so fast. So yes, that was my visa story, and in my next video, I will guide you step by step of how to gather all the visa documents, what each one means, and how to avoid small mistakes. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.